everyone, welcome back to Fly with Janeman. So we are here today at Bridal Falls. Uh, after 3 days, it is total. The sunny day has arrived. The real spring, we can feel that. Took us 90 minutes to arrive here. Sorry, 60 minutes to arrive here. So let's see what we can expect from here. Look at her. It called Sari. So she is here also with this to take photos. And here is the way to falls. It will take 15 minutes to walk from here to the falls. So let's see what happens. But there is a beautiful scenario around us before going to the falls. It's actually inside the forest. I am thinking like this way, that it's actually inside the forest. Hiking towards the Bridal Falls, and we are seeing this beautiful nature around us. You can see the nature. It's so beautiful, so much beautiful. Like everything is crystal clear, the sounds and everything, every portion of here, like the forest, the greenery, the falls. And we are nearly to the Bridal Falls. We can see some portion of the falls in front. You can see all. It's so beautiful. The sounds are amazing. It's so breathtaking. Look at the view, guys. Beautiful place. I have hiked from the down to here. You can see the beautiful scenario, and I have come from so long time, and it's a tough hiking. The roads are so slidey, the rugged are so slidey. It's risky, but it's fun. You can see the view from here, too close from here. This place is so amazing. So amazing, this place. You can see I have come here It's so amazing, so beautiful. I saw that lots of people don't come here in the top because it's little bit risky, but it's really worth it after coming here. You don't just go from the starting point and finish your travel. Come here, enjoy the wind, enjoy the falls. From here you can see my back side and my front side there. I am enjoying the scenario so much. It's really pleasuring and so much fascinating to sit here and enjoy the moment to the falls in so many close features. After a wonderful moment, it's time for us to go back to our place, and now we are going to downstairs again, and it's so risky and hard. You can see the scenario behind me, how beautiful it is. Just you guys enjoy this moment also, and we are trying to go down by these steps and also trying to enjoy this scenario also behind me. So after enjoying this beautiful scenario, we have to go back and follow this risky trail and go back in downstairs side. So let us go downside, and after that we'll talk again. I hope this is today's travel for us, but let's get down first. After that, if we still live in this side, then we'll have lots of talk. So guys, we have came down from the falls and we are going back to our home. So for today, it's the finishing of our travel today, and hopefully you will like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you will be attached with us for this incredible Canada travel vlogs we will provide you in the future. The sun is kissing me, and from here I have to say goodbye, take care, and hope for the next vlog will be arriving soon and many different places. Till then, take care.